Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my playroom. If it's your first time here, you are the right place. My name is Ariel. This is where we talk beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome. Today we're focusing on summer routine makeup, like for oily skin. Matter of fact, if you guys don't know yet, my face is like really oily. We're gonna do a summer routine makeup in 5 steps. All it takes is 5 little steps and you're done. 5. Cinco. Cinq. Step number 1, moisturizer. And for this particular one, I have 2 different types. The first one is Bobbi Brown one, is a moisturizer and a primer all together. Kind of like a little bit on the expensive side, but it worked pretty well. And the second one is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. This particular one is oil free, less expensive side I should say, and this one you can find it everywhere, even in Walmart they have it available. Why we starting with a moisturizer? Yes, I know you're gonna be like, oh, why are we adding a moisturizer while your skin is already oily? Yeah, the reason why your skin is oily is because it's looking for moisture, like is kind of like a suffocated, so looking for that moisture bring a lot of oil out, and that's how your oily face get all shiny. So by adding the moisture to it, you actually preventing it from secreting oil because it got the moisture that it needed already. So you have to apply that first layer to give it what it wants, so it stop producing extra oil that is gonna bother your makeup actually. Next we go with a primer itself, and this is my favorite primer when it comes to oily skin because Fenty has done it for oily skin, and this oil free is. Make sure to give it like a couple of minutes for it to kind of like dry out, sink into your skin before you go to the next step. Next we're gonna add the setting powder, and make sure to pick the one that is closer to your skin tone so you don't go like black and white I should say. So this particular one is the one that matches my skin. It's from Fenty as well, and mine is in color cashew, so that's the one that goes with me. Make sure to apply it all over and let it sink in. Just tap 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 tap, and you should be done with it. After the setting powder, or anytime after a setting powder, you have to set it in with a setting spray. Here comes the next one, step number 4. That's your all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray, the best long-lasting setting spray that you have on the market. This is one. It comes in different volumes actually. I think this is the middle one. You have a smaller one and you have a bigger bottle. So here we go. Spray it all over. Use your fan, however, let it soak in. Okay, so last but not least, your foundation. Yes, so when it comes to foundation, I think the best one that you can find would be the Fenty Pro Filter foundation that is made especially for oily skin. When it comes to foundation, here's the trick. You only need 2, maximum 3 drops for you to get what you need. If you have a big face like mine, you're gonna need 3 drops. If you have a normal medium-sized face, you're gonna need 2 or maybe even 1. But the less layer you put to it, the less your skin is gonna fight back trying to produce oil. So minimum foundation is what you need. And the reason why we're using sponge is because the sponge is gonna absorb most of the product already, and all you'll have left in there will be like some kind of pinpoint just to cover the necessary part of your skin, like the bare minimum that is required for your skin. That's all you need. Simple. And here we go, final result. That's what we look like on a closer look. Simple, easy. You don't need to add too much to it, and this is like your everyday makeup routine. Take you about 10 to 15 minutes and you complete it. Like Mission accomplished. No need to worry about it. Thank you, lovely people, for stopping by. This is where we're gonna end it today. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscription button for me, and I'll see you next Sunday. Let the game continue.